I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, Jessica here. Please click like and leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it. Today I had the pleasure of taking a walk tour around the romantic village of Carvoeiro in Algarve, Portugal. As soon as I stepped foot into the area, I was taken aback by the sheer beauty of the place. The village was relatively quiet, but was still full of life with the sun hitting the golden sand, the crashing waves of the crystal clear ocean, and the friendly locals all around. During my walk, I explored the classic cobblestone streets lined with lovely cafes, restaurants, and small stores selling enticing local wares and souvenirs. I also took in the mesmerizing views of high cliffs, exotic coves, and the picturesque lighthouse. To add to this charming experience, I passed by several historic buildings, ranging from churches to old windmills, some of which date back to the 16th century. I even stumbled across a set of breathtakingly beautiful gardens, a true gem of the area. I couldn't help but be completely charmed by this quaint, seaside escape. Whether you're looking for a unique cultural experience or simply wishing to enjoy stunning coastal views, Carvoeiro is definitely the perfect destination. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Carvoeiro, and see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.